Today we redo the Kunafa chocolate bar. This is from FIX, the company that invent them. Perfect. Much better than the original. This much better of all of them together. Of course we are professional. We got the ingredient, we got the knowledge. Let's do it. We will do a copy just for you that you cannot get it from Dubai, but we did. I got it from Dubai, of course. There is no other option. What I did this morning, I sent the driver there to go to FIX and get me the original one. Cost a fortune, but we got it. Hey, mister, thank you so much. Amazing.
Chocolate.
Yes, expensive chocolate. Thank you so much. But who invent those Dubai chocolate bar? Was a lady called Sarah Muda that became viral in TikTok. That in 2021 she was pregnant, craving in her pregnancy period. She decided to invent those chocolate bar, but filled with this beautiful Kunafa dough or Kataifi dough and pistachio paste. It became viral. She published this video in TikTok and in a second became viral. More than 80 million views. We bought it and we have the original one. But today we will show you how to do it. What we will do? Of course, we will do our own Kunafa dough, Kataifi dough, that you can buy. The most important part is toast the Kataifi dough, because this is the crunchy part, will stay still crunchy in the middle of the chocolate bar. It's the best part of them. Pistachio paste, we bought the most expensive one here in Abu Dhabi, pure and refined 100% pistachio. But you can do it. There are a lot of recipes online. You can do it at home. Chocolate. We use milk chocolate. You can use dark chocolate. You can use a combination. The coloring. Coloring is made by white chocolate and food coloring. The Dubai chocolate bar are famous to be painted on the front part. After that, we will test it. Kunafa or Kataifi dough. Simple recipe actually. What you need is just a special tools. This. Yeah. 3 dirham in Amazon again. I use just expensive tools. If you don't have this, you can take a small plastic bottle of water, do an hole on the top, and that's it. Recipe. Extremely easy. All-purpose flour, 110 gram. Corn starch, 80 gram. Half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 220 ml water. We mix all together, we strain it. It's coming like butter, the butter that you use to coat and to fry. We put it in the bottle, non-stick pan, and just we move it. When it's dry in the pan, it's ready, you can see it yourself. When we get our Kunafa, we just chop it. Freaky, incredible experience. That what means FIX. Kunafa. In all the video we were watching, actually what they do, they saute in the pan with a little bit of butter. We try and sometimes you burn a little bit. We prefer to do it in the oven. In normal butter, microwave, and we melt it a little bit. Go in. When we have the melted butter, we spread it on top. Go chef, please. The butter helps the crispiness. That means in the oven or in the pan, if you want, it's helping to keep the dough super crisp. This is the secret of the Dubai chocolate bar. That is make the difference in taste, in flavor, and of course, it's the original. What to do? What about the oven temperature? 200 degrees, 5-7 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes, kunafa ready. Yeah, look at that. Nice and crispy. Yeah, much better than the pan, actually. For the filling, we got this beautiful pistachio paste. You can do it, take the pistachio, peel them, that means blanch them and remove the skin, or buy the one without skin already, blend it with vegetable oil, and that's all. But there are brands that are doing this amazing job and in a professional way. Much better result. Our kunafa, you remember that? Super nice and crispy. Pistachio paste. And the bowl. That's it. Go ahead, chef. Before the kunafa. Put it here. All. Slowly we incorporate the pistachio paste. Remember, the kunafa still need to be crispy. You don't want to lose this crispiness. Not dry, but something like this. A little bit more, maybe. A little bit more. Just pistachio. To put it in. Just an extra touch. We are chefs. Are ready. This is our filling. For the chocolate, we use this brand. We just need to melt it. And after we will temper the chocolate to create the shell of the chocolate bar. Now this, we melt it in the microwave. Easy life. Remember, when you melt it in the microwave, put 10 seconds, you move it, another 10 seconds, you move it again till it's melted, otherwise will burn. We'll show you. This is our chocolate ready for the bar. Okay, for the chocolate, the most important is temper the chocolate. The chocolate is not that you melt it, you use it like that. Because you need the right consistency. We use these techniques, chocolatier the nose, to don't break, to keep the consistency that we want for the chocolate bar. We bring the chocolate to 50 degrees, and after we slowly reduce the temperature till 30-28 degrees. We use this beautiful accessory that is a laser thermometer. You can buy for 50 dirham in Amazon again. But it's really important to check the temperature of the chocolate and make sure you temper in a right way. For the rest, a stone, marble counter, wherever it's cold, and reduce slowly the temperature of the chocolate will work. Okay, for the color, because of course the FIX one, after we will open it, is colored on the front. What we do, we melt same way of the other one, the white chocolate, and food coloring, white, yellow, red, green, orange. You can find it everywhere. When we have the chocolate, show the chocolate, we go for the color. First color. We will use an art mold, yeah. We bought it again, Amazon, 70 dirham. Or you can use a silicone one, yeah. A little bit more fancy shape, wherever it is. We have our mold, our chocolate. Remember what I told you. Temper your chocolate, always. Otherwise, it doesn't work in the right way. Time to fill our mold, almost. See it?
No, it's too big.
When we have our filling ready, our mold is cooled down, room temperature, as I said to you before. We fill the mold. Actually, this is what we wanted. You see that? Yes. We need to cover all the inside. After we'll cover the top with extra chocolate. This is what you want. Now it's time to cover with extra chocolate and wait again. This. Cover it again, yeah, with the tempered chocolate and wait till cool down after we see the final product. Same, exactly the same of the original, believe me. We have it. That means what I'm gonna do is cut the original and show you the original one. This is yellow-green. That's it. That it is. Actually, it's nice and crunchy. It's very nice. They are in truth. Now, today, she has a company. It's called FIX. Freaking incredible experience. Okay, we open the original. Let's try the fake one. Look the same. Okay, if you look at like that, looks the same. Maybe it's the same original brand doing the fake one or sold the recipe, but let's test it. I believe it's just the chocolate is cheaper, the rest more or less. And this is. You have an artistic way much better than the original. We test the original, very nice. We test the fake or the substitute brand, actually very nice. But this is our own, yeah? The one you can make it at home, easy. Let's sit inside. Perfect. Let's test it. Actually, it's much better than the original. Because we use the good pistachio. This is much better of all of them together. The ultimate recipe. Hi. Question we use the best pistachio paste you can find in the market. And this is making the difference. Look at that. This is what we want. Mission complete, ultimate recipe to buy chocolate bar at home.